Halo everyone, perkenalkan nama saya Mahfud dari kelompok 2. Saya ini mewakilkan dari kelompok 2 untuk mempresentasikan tugas presentasi bahasa Inggris. Langsung saja kita mulai. Read material about adjective and pronouns made by group 2. The members of the group consist of Mahfud, Jessica Cahaya Karol. Definition of adjective. Adjective is a word as used to provide additional information or characteristics about a noun or pronoun. Can help clarify or detail information about the object in question. Adjective, according to expert Crystal David, an adjective is a word that describes of or qualifies a noun or pronoun, typically providing information about qualities, quantities, or characteristics. Queer, Randolph, Greenbaum, Sydney, Leach, Geoffrey, an adjective is a word that modifies a noun or pronoun by describing, identifying, or quantifying words. An adjective actually precedes the noun or the pronoun which it modifies. Quick and Crystal. Leach, Geoffrey, adjectives are words that function primarily to specify the attributes of nouns and pronouns. Leach. Function of adjective. Attributes adjective meaning that the adjective is used to describe a noun directly. Example, a beautiful woman, a bike car, a diligent student. Predicative adjective meaning that adjectives are used to describe nouns indirectly. In this case, the adjective that function as a predicate is located after to be. Example, that woman is beautiful. Beautiful. That car is bike. That student is diligent. Types or adjectives: proper adjective, descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective. Forming of adjective formation of noun. Uh, by adding the suffix full to a noun. By adding the suffix list to noun, which means the opposite. By adding the suffix aus to a noun. By adding the suffix ish to the noun or adjective itself, where the new format word has a similar meaning, such as like or around. By adding the suffix like to a noun. By adding the suffix able to a noun. By adding the suffix al, I call to noun. By adding the I to noun. By adding the ye suffix to noun. By adding the suffix n to noun. By adding this suffix each, teach, a teach to noun. By adding some to a noun. By adding if to a noun. Adjective formation or of verb. By adding the suffix able to a verb which means I can. By adding the suffix ing to a verb. By adding the suffix et to the verb. Positive of adjective before nouns that function as both subject and object. His book is yellow. After the auxiliary verb. To be, look, seen, grow, smell, remind, become, bit, feel, and sound. She looks cheerful. After great adverb, such as very, to, so, deeply, enormously, equally, greatly, fierily, reasonably, rather quite. Although is so kind that his friends like him. After object in a sentence such as call, make, find, push, find, and when adjectives has a complementary function. My friend called him stupid. Stupid. Definition of pronouns. Pronouns are used to replace noun in tense to avoid repetition and make sentence more concise and clear. More soft. Pronouns according to expert Crystal David, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or noun phrase and refers to participants in the discourse. Lu or to someone or something mentioned elsewhere in the discourse. He, she, it. Redford and Drell pronouns are a close class of words that stand in for nouns or noun phrases, often to avoid repetition or to maintain cohesion in discourse. Quick roundup. Greenbaum, Sydney, Leach, Geoffrey. A pronoun is a word that can substitute for a noun or noun phrase and was reference is clear either from the linguistics or situational context. Queer and Crystal. Types of pronoun. Personal pronoun is a pronoun as to replace the person speaking and the person who is talking to. Is viewed from the aspect of their position in a stance. The personal pronoun is divided into groups, namely nominative case. A nominative case is a case in which a person pronoun function occupies a position as a subject in stance. I include in nominative case are the following: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. In terms of its position in a stance, this nominative case must be for a verb, either a verb to be or a regular verb. Adjective case is a personal pronoun that serves as an object in a stance. The objective case are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. The adjective case should be after. The verb are after the preposition. Preposition. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun as used to indicate possession of something. Possessive pronouns generally come from the personal form of pronoun. There are several forms of possessive pronoun, namely mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Here are some examples of its as instance. Uh, If the possessive pronoun is separated from the noun by to be, this car is mine. B. If the noun is understood, an understood noun is possessive adjective is followed by a noun plus and plus possessive pronoun. Example: his horse and mine. Some examples of it as instance: his horse and mine, my horse, are both tired. C. Possessive pronoun is preceded by of. Possessive pronouns is preceded by the proposition of, for example, that horse of his. Some example of it as instance: that horse of his is tired. D. The possessive pronoun is placed after the of, for example, a friend of mine, one of my friends. Some example if of it as instance: he is a friend of mine. Explanation: a friend of mine. A. The possessive pronoun was, which comes from the interrogative word who she, is a pronoun that indicates possessive, can be used directly, followed followed by a noun. It might or might not be. The possessive of the question is worship. The question what worship is used to ask who the owner is. Leaning adjective. Adjective to understand and recognize. Adjectives is tense. Know the function of adjectives to describe or provide further information about objects or people. Pronouns to recognize. Pronouns that replace nouns is tense. To understand, who to ask. Pronouns to make tense simple and not repeat nouns. Kesimpulan, conclusion about adjective and pronouns. Adjectives are what used to describe the qualities, conditions, or characteristics of a person, object, or thing. They function to give more details you that the reader or listener better understand what is being described. Example: beautiful, bike, diligent. Pronouns are words used to replace nouns. Our pupil, so sentence do not have to repeat the some words. Example: I, you, he, they. That's all from use. Thank you.